How to make snake plants grow faster. Snake plants, also known as Sansevieria or mother-in-law aston, are popular houseplants, known for their striking appearance and low maintenance. While these plants are notoriously slow growers, there are several strategies you can use to speed up their growth and help them reach their full potential. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about how to make snake plants grow faster, from optimal growing conditions to care tips and tricks. Understanding snake plant growth. Before diving into tips on how to speed up the growth of your snake plant, it's important to understand its natural growth habits. Snake plants are native to West Africa, where they thrive in arid conditions, with minimal water and nutrients. They are slow-growing by nature, typically adding only a few inches of growth each year. However, with the right care and environment, you can encourage faster growth and a healthier plant. Optimal growing conditions for snake plants. Creating the ideal environment is key to promoting faster growth in snake plants. Here's what you need to consider. 1. Light requirements. Snake plants are incredibly versatile when it comes to lighting conditions. They can survive in low light, but they thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. To encourage faster growth, place your snake plant in a location where it can receive plenty of light without being exposed to direct sunlight, which can scorch its leaves. Desk lighting. Bright indirect sunlight for 6 to 8 hours a day. Avoid prolonged exposure to direct sunlight or very low light conditions. To temperature and humidity. Snake plants prefer warm temperatures and can tolerate a range of humidity levels. However, they grow best in a consistent warm environment. Optimal temperature 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. 21 to 32 degrees Celsius humidity. Average household humidity is ideal, but avoid overly humid conditions. 3. Soil and potting. The right soil mix is crucial for snake plant growth. They prefer well-draining soil that prevents water from sitting around the roots, which can lead to root rot. Best soil mix. A mix of cactus potting soil and perlite or coarse sand for excellent drainage potting. Choose a pot with drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. Tips for accelerating snake plant growth. Now that you understand the optimal conditions for your snake plant, let's explore specific tips and techniques to help your plant grow faster. 1. Proper watering. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes that can hinder snake plant growth. These plants prefer to be on the drier side, so it's essential to water them correctly. Watering schedule. Water your snake plant thoroughly when the top 2 to 3 inches of soil are dry. During the growing season, spring and summer, this might be every 2 to 4 weeks, and less frequently in the fall and winter. Avoid letting the plant sit in water or watering too frequently, which can lead to root rot. 2. Fertilizing for growth. While snake plants don't require heavy feeding, a little boost during the growing season can encourage faster growth. Fertilizer type. Use a balanced water-soluble fertilizer, diluted to half strength. Fertilizing schedule. Feed your snake plant once a month during the spring and summer. Avoid fertilizing in the fall and winter, when the plant's growth naturally slows down. 3. Repotting when necessary. Snake plants generally like being slightly root-bound. But repotting can be beneficial if the plant outgrows its pot. When to repot every 2 to 3 years. Or when the plant has filled its pot and the roots are starting to push through the drainage holes. How to repot: choose a pot that is only slightly larger than the current one, and refresh the soil to encourage new growth. For pruning and dividing. Pruning and dividing. Your snake plant can help manage its size and encourage faster growth. Pruning: remove dead or damaged leaves by cutting them off at the base. This allows the plant to focus energy on new growth. Dividing: if your snake plant has multiple offshoots, you can divide the plant into smaller sections and pot them individually. This not only creates new plants, but also encourages faster growth in the parent plant. 5. Pest and disease management. Keeping your snake plant healthy and free from pests and diseases is essential for promoting growth. Common pests: watch out for spider mites, mealy bugs, and scale insects. Treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Disease prevention. Prevent root rot by avoiding overwatering and ensuring good drainage. Additional tips for healthy snake plants. In addition to the core care tips, here are some extra strategies to help your snake plant thrive. Rotate the plant. Rotate your snake plant every few weeks to ensure even light exposure on all sides, which promotes balanced growth. Clean the leaves: dust can accumulate on the leaves, blocking light and reducing photosynthesis. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth to keep them clean and shiny. Provide stability. If your snake plant is tall and top-heavy, consider using stakes or plant supports to keep it upright and prevent breakage. Troubleshooting common snake plant problems. Even with the best care, you might encounter some challenges. Here is how to address common snake plant issues that can affect growth. Yellowing leaves: often a sign of overwatering. Allow the soil to dry out completely before watering. Again, brown tips: this can be caused by underwatering, low humidity, or excessive direct sunlight. Adjust watering habits and move the plant to a more suitable location. Slow growth: if your snake plant isn't growing, check the light levels, ensure it's not root-bound, and review your watering and fertilizing schedule. Conclusion. While snake plants are naturally slow growers, by providing optimal conditions and proper care, you can encourage faster growth and a healthier plant. Focus on providing bright, indirect light, well-drained soil, and careful watering, and supplement with occasional feeding and pruning. With patience and the right approach, your snake plant will reward you with lush, robust growth and a striking presence in your home.